Hey, what is happening, guys? Today is January 18th, 2018. Today, I finally did it. I found time to get up, get out of my, or get away from my desk, walk outside. Granted, all I did was take the trash out, but I went on a little walk around the neighborhood, got away from my desk, and it really helped a lot. I took a couple of pictures um, off the top of the parking garage. See the mountains in the background, kind of looking down from the top of the parking garage. Lots of palm trees out here, and you can see downtown in the background. But yeah, that was a big help today to get up out of here for a little while, take a break, and come back a little more fresh. So let's get on into the plays. First ticker I played was OLN. This one was pushing down right here, so I shorted it, and I was kind of quick with the trigger this morning. I shorted right here, and as soon as it popped up over VWAP, I marketed it out with a quickness. Kept the loss really small. Moved on to the next one, NTNX. I was watching, this is the ticker I was watching when the bell rang. I wanted to short this one on the open, and as you can see, it got away from me. It was way too fast. I would have been chasing. And then when it climbed up this far, I was scared to take the same. I wanted to take the same short. But the fact that it got up this high, I was a little nervous to short it at that point, but I should have. Hindsight, whatever, but it gave me another chance. Pulled back a little tiny bit right here. And so I gave it a shot. I had my fibs right here, and I didn't want to go up past this fib, so I shorted it up here, kind of a little above midway point, and it got down to the bottom right here, and I was hoping for it to push on through, but it did not. But when it got up close to the top of the fib, once again, playing it safe, market it out. Wanted to keep the loss small. Coming off my day yesterday, I didn't want to get off to a bad start, but so far I kind of am getting off to a bad start, even though I'm keeping these really small, so that's good. The losses, that is. Next play is Court. I only got a win. Felt good after yesterday. I longed it right here, even as small as this was, and pulled against me, climbed, and it just seemed to be stacked right here. Couldn't push through. And again, a little bit antsy today with my trading. I went ahead and marketed it out for a small gain on that one. Next, I think, yeah, this is after this play is when I went on my walk. So after this play, I went on my walk. Came back. No, this is the last play before I went on my walk. I shorted right here, and we had made a lower high right there, so I went ahead and shorted. But then again, we had made higher highs right here. And when I saw this candle right here, that was a reversal, so I got out right here. So it was sort of a win. It was basically a scratch. Next play, and now this is my play today. This is kind of what brought me back into the game, made me feel good, gave me a really good win. XOG. First of all, I played this off of the rounded top. That was the chart pattern. I don't know if everyone knows what that is. I actually don't even see them that much. I know about them, but I rarely get a chance to play them. Excuse me. And, all I could see when I got in was this. So we were coming up, and we were curling over, pushing down right here. So I played the rounded top pattern on that. Shorted, and it pushed down, gave me what I wanted. And I was like, all right, finally, we got a good one. and then it immediately popped back up and came really close to my stop. I said, shoot. But hung in there and stuck with the stop, stayed in the play. And the part that I'm really proud about here is that my price target was right here. That was another thing that was frustrating. This thing shot down and sat right above price target, right above my price target, and turned all the way around and came all the way back to above where I got in. So I was rewarded for my patience, came down, got to price target, and guess what I did, guys? Finesse the exit. I can't even remember all of I moved the stop, I think, 3 times. When we pushed past here, I had to stop somewhere right here, and I moved it down here, and I moved it right here, and on this candle right here, when we pushed down into this area, I moved the stop down to 1465 right here, and this green candle right here is the one that came up and got me. So it kept on and continued going, but I did my best, so I'm pretty stoked about that. I mean, price target was right up here, and so I got all that extra moves for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. So for 15 minutes, I sat here finessing the exit. So that was my big winner that got me in the green. Super proud of that. I tried one more last play for the day. I wanted to shut it down, but I was like, let me try GNC. It could run. Long day right here, and it didn't. It had already made so many legs up all day long that after I was in the play, I thought to myself, well, why did I get in this? Let me go ahead and get out now while I'm in profit and just shut this whole thing down for the day. But yeah, that last play, XOG, was my pride and joy play for the day. Super stoked on that one. And that's a wrap, guys. I'm going to try to get out more often tomorrow, get away from my desk again, go on one of those walks. Weather's always beautiful in Phoenix. Gotta take advantage of it. Alright, see you guys tomorrow.